Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jumbo cupcake liners. First, gather your essential materials: parchment paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and a large glass or can. The glass will serve as your mold, so select one with a diameter of approximately 4 to 5 inches. Make sure your parchment paper is suitable for baking, as it needs to be food safe and able to withstand oven temperatures. This simple setup is all you need to begin crafting your own custom liners. Now, let's prepare the parchment paper. Take your roll of parchment and cut it into individual squares. Each square should measure approximately 8 inches by 8 inches. This size is ideal for creating a generous jumbo cupcake liner that will perfectly fit your larger baked goods. Cutting accurately is important for consistent results, so take your time to ensure each square is even. You will need 1 square for every liner you wish to make. With your parchment square ready, it's time to form the liner. Place one of your 8 by 8 inch parchment squares directly over the bottom of your large glass or can. Carefully press the paper down and around the sides of the glass, using your fingers to create pleats. Work your way around the entire circumference, ensuring the paper conforms tightly to the glass's shape. Smooth out any wrinkles to achieve neat, even pleats all around the liner. Once your liner is fully formed around the glass, carefully remove it. The parchment paper will hold its shape, creating a perfect jumbo cupcake liner. Gently place your newly crafted liner into a jumbo muffin tin. These custom-made liners are incredibly versatile and ideal for baking larger muffins, cupcakes, or even individual quiches. Enjoy the satisfaction of using your own handmade liners for your next delicious baking project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.